Here's a certified 2017 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. E equals innovation into style. However, the formula for sporty luxury in this E-Class is anything but formulaic. The design is chiseled and confident, the cabin elegant and sporty, and the performance adds up to an unforgettable drive. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Streaming audio, dual zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, twin turbo V6 engine, four-wheel drive, external memory control, power tilting steering column, gas pressurized shocks, auto dimming rear view mirror, and integrated navigation system with voice activation. This from Edmunds.com. Mercedes-Benz E-Class continues to epitomize the modern mid-sized luxury car with its sophisticated technology, elegant furnishings, and a wide selection of engines and features. Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard and driving forward. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,